हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम देखेंगे 500 डेली यूज इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेस। तो चलिए हम शुरू करेंगे।
मैं बीमार हूँ।
आई एम सिक, आई एम सिक।
हमेशा की तरह।
एज ऑलवेज, एज ऑलवेज।
क्या हाल है?
हाउ आर यू, हाउ आर यू।
क्या चल रहा है?
व्हाट्स गोइंग ऑन, व्हाट्स गोइंग ऑन।
आलू छील दो।
पील ऑफ द पोटैटोज, पील ऑफ द पोटैटोज।
संतरा छील दो।
पील ऑफ द ऑरेंज, पील ऑफ द ऑरेंज।
बिस्तर लगा दो।
मेक द बेड, मेक द बेड।
ढक्कन खोल दो।
Open the cover, open the cover.
नल खोल दो।
Turn on the tap, turn on the tap.
नल बंद कर दो।
Turn off the tap, turn off the tap.
चादर बिछा दो।
Spread the bed sheet, spread the bed sheet.
दिमाग से काम लो।
Use your brain, use your brain.
धीमे बोलो।
Speak softly, speak softly.
धीरे बोलो।
Speak slowly, speak slowly.
तेज बोलो।
Speak quickly, speak quickly.
ऊंचा बोलो।
Speak aloud, speak aloud.
खाना लगा दो।
Serve the food, serve the food.
दबे पाँव चलो।
Walk on the tiptoe, walk on the tiptoe.
उसे समय लेने दो।
Let him take time, let him take time.
आँख मत मारो।
Don't wink, don't wink.
इशारा मत करो।
Don't gesture, don't gesture.
बकवास मत करो।
Don't talk nonsense, don't talk nonsense.
जिद मत करो।
Don't be stubborn, don't be stubborn.
धूप सेक लो।
Bask in the sun, bask in the sun.
रोटियां बेल लो।
Roll the chapatis, roll the chapatis.
आटा गूंद लो।
Knead the flour, knead the flour.
रोटियां सेक लो।
Bake the chapatis, bake the chapatis.
जूते पहन लो।
Put on the shoes, put on the shoes.
जूते उतार लो।
Take off the shoes, take off the shoes.
शर्ट पहन लो।
Wear the shirt, wear the shirt.
उसे विदा कर दो।
See him off, see him off.
उसे गाली मत दो।
Don't abuse him, don't abuse him.
अंधेरा हो रहा है।
It's getting dark, it's getting dark.
मुझे नहाने दो।
Let me take a bath, let me take a bath.
जाकर सो जाओ।
Go and sleep, go and sleep.
क्या हुआ?
What's happened? What happened?
मुझे ठंड लग रही है।
I am feeling cold, I am feeling cold.
बारिश हो रही है।
It's raining, it's raining.
फोन आ रहा है।
The phone is ringing, the phone is ringing.
क्या हुआ?
What happened? What happened?
मशीन चालू करो।
Switch on the machine, switch on the machine.
मशीन चलाओ।
Operate the machine, operate the machine.
एसी बंद करो।
Switch off the AC, switch off the AC.
एसी ऑन करो।
Switch on the AC, switch on the AC.
सुबह हो गई।
It's morning, it's morning.
कुछ खास नहीं।
Nothing special, nothing special.
कौन है?
Who is there? Who is there?
कौन है यह?
Who is this? Who is this?
मुझे अपने आप पर भरोसा है।
I believe in myself. I believe in myself.
तुम्हारा जो मन करे वो करो।
Do whatever you want. Do whatever you want.
तुम्हें आना पड़ेगा।
You have to come. You have to come.
उसे देखना पड़ेगा।
He will have to see. He will have to see.
मैं समझना चाहूँगा।
I would like to understand. I would like to understand.
मैं देखना चाहूँगा।
I would like to see. I would like to see.
मैं जानना चाहता हूँ।
I want to know. I want to know.
तुम क्या ढूंढ रहे हो?
What are you looking for? What are you looking for?
मैं मिलना चाहता हूँ।
I want to meet. I want to meet.
तुम्हें जो सोचना है सोचो।
Think whatever you want. Think whatever you want.
क्या तुम आ रहे हो?
Are you coming? Are you coming?
कितनी बेहूदगी है।
What nonsense! What nonsense!
लाइन में खड़े हो जाओ।
Stand in the queue. Stand in the queue.
समय समाप्त हुआ।
Time is up. Time is up.
जरा साइड में हो जाओ।
Please move aside. Please move aside.
मेरे पास समय नहीं है।
I don't have time. I don't have time.
धूप में बाहर मत जाओ।
Don't go out in the sun. Don't go out in the sun.
मुझसे झूठ मत बोलो।
Don't lie to me. Don't lie to me.
मैं सुबह से बाहर हूँ।
I am out since morning. I am out since morning.
हिलो मत।
Don't move. Don't move.
नहाने का समय हो गया।
It's time to take a bath. It's time to take a bath.
चुपचाप खड़े रहो।
Stand quietly. Stand still.
बिल्कुल अभी।
Right way. Exactly now.
धीरे बोलो।
Speak slowly. Speak slowly.
अपने कपड़े बदल लो।
Change your clothes. Change your clothes.
तमीज से बात करो।
Talk with manners. Talk with manners.
उसे मेरे पास भेजो।
Send him to me. Send him to me.
मुझे एक मौका दो।
Give me a chance. Give me a chance.
मेरा यकीन करो।
Believe me. Believe me.
मुझे वापस कॉल करो।
Call me back. Call me back.
मेरी मदद करो।
Help me. Help me.
मेरा यह मतलब नहीं था।
I don't mean that. I don't mean that.
जितना मुमकिन हो।
As well as possible. As well as possible.
मैं नहीं कह सकता।
I can't say. I can't say.
कोई अंदाजा नहीं।
No idea. No idea.
कितने पैसे हुए?
How much money? How much money?
हिम्मत मत हारो।
Just don't give up. Just don't give up.
बहुत देर हो गई।
It's too late. It's too late.
क्या समय हुआ?
What's the time? What's the time?
मुझे समझ नहीं आता।
I don't understand. I don't understand.
अपना काम ध्यान से करो।
Do your work carefully. Do your work carefully.
भगवान पर भरोसा रखो।
Trust God. Trust God.
जल्दी वापस आना।
Come back soon. Come back soon.
जरा सब्र रखो।
Just be patient. Just be patient.
बड़ों का आदर करे।
Respect your elders. Respect your elders.
बहाने मत बनाओ।
Don't make excuses. Don't make excuses.
अपने बाल बना लो।
Comb your hair. Comb your hair.
मुझे गुस्सा मत दिलाओ।
Don't make me angry. Don't make me angry.
तैयार हो जाओ।
Get ready. Get ready.
ऐसी बात नहीं करती।
Don't talk like that. Don't talk like that.
मुझे सुबह उठा देना।
Wake me up early in the morning. Wake me up early in the morning.
बड़ों का आदर करे।
Respect your elders. Respect your elders.
शर्ट उतार लो।
Take off the shirt. Take off the shirt.
यहाँ गाड़ी खड़ा करना मना है।
It is forbidden to park here. It is forbidden to park here.
दिल पे मत लो।
Don't take it to heart. Don't take it to heart.
आप अपना काम करें।
You do your work. You do your work.
उसे स्टेशन तक छोड़ दो।
Drop him at the station. Drop him at the station.
अब आप जा सकते हैं।
Now you can go. Now you can go.
क्या मैं कॉल कर सकता हूँ?
Can I make a call? Can I make a call?
मुझे जाने की आज्ञा दे।
Allow me to go. Allow me to go.
हम बहुत जल्दी आ गए हैं।
We are too early. We are too early.
अच्छे दिन आएंगे।
Better days will come. Better days will come.
आप ठीक समय पर आए हैं।
You are just in time. You are just in time.
मन लगाकर काम करो।
Work wholeheartedly. Work hard.
मेहमान को अंदर ले आओ।
Bring the guest in. Bring the guest in.
संभल कर चलना।
Walk carefully. Walk carefully.
बाद में आ जाना।
Come later. Come later.
मैं ऐसा सोचता हूँ।
I think so. I think so.
अपना काम ध्यान से करो।
Do your work carefully. Do your work carefully.
जल्दी वापस आना।
Come back soon. Come back soon.
जरा सब्र रखो।
Just be patient. Just be patient.
बड़ों का आदर करे।
Respect your elders. Respect your elders.
तुम वहीं रहना।
You stay there. You stay there.
मुझे जाने की आज्ञा दे।
Allow me to go. Allow me to go.
मुझे जाने दो।
Let me go. Let me go.
अब आप जा सकते हैं।
Now you can go. Now you can go.
क्या मैं कॉल कर सकता हूँ?
Can I make a call? Can I make a call?
बच्चों का ध्यान रखना।
Take care of children. Take care of children.
मुझे भूख लग रही है।
I'm feeling hungry. I'm feeling hungry.
आप क्या खाएंगे?
What will you like to eat? What will you like to eat?
तुमने नाश्ता किया?
Have you had breakfast? Have you had breakfast?
आप चाय लेंगे या कॉफ़ी?
Would you have a tea or coffee? Would you have a tea or coffee?
मुझे एक कप चाय देना।
Give me a cup of tea. Give me a cup of tea.
हेलो, कौन है?
Hello, who is this? Hello, who is this?